This is our hands-on student back in June 2022. She is a cake baker and she enrolled sa amin para idagdag ang bread sa kanyang baked goods business. Right after her training, nag-practice na siya agad mag-bake sa kitchen niya. Pero mano-mano lang ang pagmasa niya habang wala pa siyang dough mixer. Total 1 kilo to 1.5 kilos lang naman ang dough. Kayang-kaya na niya. And maraming pandesal na yun or buns or Spanish bread. As in more than enough for a family of 3 to 5 for 2 days. Ayan ang breads na na-bake niya. By middle of July, mga 3 weeks after her training, her husband bought her a spiral dough mixer kaya tuwan-tuwa siya. Sabi ng husband niya, super worth it daw ang binayad nila sa hands-on training niya and yung investment nila sa mixer. Which is true, marami kaming students na napakabilis mag-ROI ng equipment nila. Meron pa nga kaming students na nakaipon ng pambili ng mixer from her sales sa breads na mano-mano lang niya minasa. I had a student who is a housewife sa Doha, Qatar, and as soon as she went back to Qatar, nag-start siya agad mag-bake at benta ng breads, and after 2 months, nakaipon siya pambili ng spiral mixer. Sa Jadros formula, hindi ka na mangangapa. Wala ng trial and error. Nagawa na namin lahat ng errors, kaya when you bake our formula and apply our system na tinuturo namin, sure nang perfect at hindi ka mahihiyang ibenta ang breads at definitely hindi ka malulugi.